Finding the perfect truck for your business. Autokid Truck Solutions makes it easier for you to find quality trucks for your business through Autokid Premium Trucks. Choose from a large collection of their brand new trucks and enjoy the quality trucks for your business need. Autokid Premium Trucks feature the quality commercial truck brands from China. They feature expertly crafted bodies, modern cabin interiors, and powerful high-tech engines. Whether you're looking for tractor heads, dump trucks, cement mixers, or cargo trucks, Autokid can provide you with strong truck brands that can deliver results. Autokid's partner brands feature the latest in global R&D through their partnership with leading European truck experts. Hand in hand with the state-of-the-art manufacturing process, you can be sure that the quality of each truck is world-class. That's not all. Autokid Premium Trucks benefits from its vertical integration process, which enables Autokid to provide these quality trucks to their customers without the inflated charges. Apart from providing you quality products, Autokid Truck Solutions also provides you with the best after-sales service. Learn more about that in our next episode.